Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today we are doing a PS4 HDMI port replacement. I was getting it prepped, and I was going to finish it off with the rework station on cam, but unfortunately it worked a little too well, and it's already out. So we're just going to finish it up, get it replaced. We're also going to be cleaning this out and replacing all of the thermal pads with high performance pads. We're also going to be replacing the thermal pads with high performance thermal pads. Alright, so unfortunately it's going to be a little difficult for me to catch this on camera, but I'm doing the best I can with what I have. But just to show you guys, because we do want to check for everything while we got it open pretty much, to where if there is more work done we could do it before we get to bolting stuff up. But we basically test each one. We check for two things: that it doesn't work with when you check with one probe on one side and one probe on the other side of the other side. That's kind of hard to explain. It should only work when it's the same line, basically. You shouldn't be able to put your probe over one to the line next and it works. So just to show you guys what we check for. So we checked all those check out. So those chokes are good. They will not need to be replaced. They are not part of the problem. This chip could still potentially have problems, but more than likely not, since none of those chokes have given out. It's usually a good indicator to go by. But I already have the HDMI port replacement prepped. Let's go ahead and get it on and get this job done. Just making sure these posts are nice and clear. All right. Always sounds all brutal. Final outcome on the post, and final outcome on the pins. Let's go ahead and bolt her up and test it. Alright, we're got some activity. It's probably got to do a reboot, system storage check, something like that. Hey! Alright, so we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos. Thanks again for tuning in.